Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CYTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a crazy day on this one, not only from the price action standpoint, but you look down here at the volume and just gigantic volume on it. And overall, yeah, a very rough day. I guess that assumes on your perspective. If you were bullish, and yeah, rough day. If you were short, then this was a fantastic day for you. But either way, looking at it now, we have a very interesting setup here moving forward, and that's going to be really the main thing that I'm talking about. And this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have traded for a while. But if you have traded for a while, I'm sure you've seen stocks that gap down, and then after they gap down, they just do this and bleed and bleed and bleed and bleed the rest of the day. That didn't happen here. Gap down, pulled back a little bit, and then just basically went sideways the rest of the day, and then closed out the day with the final 30 minutes. Nice surge of volume right there in a green candle. Now, don't get me wrong, and I wish I could say trading was this easy. Just because this gap down and then happened to go sideways and then happened to get some volume in the last 30 minutes does not mean that for sure guaranteed this thing is getting ready to skyrocket to the upside. My core point here is it's at least a rational thought to be having. Case in point, let's say it did gap down and then the chart looked like this. It just bled and bled and bled. And then I was sitting here saying, hey, it's looking like this thing is getting ready to potentially move to the upside. You would be totally justified to say, what are you talking about? Based on what? The price is literally just going straight down. But in this situation, it's gone sideways. So again, does that mean that this is a bottom? Absolutely not. Does it mean that it's at least a rational thought to have that this is some sort of bottom? Yeah, for sure. So keep an eye on this area of support going forward, and nothing fancy or complicated behind this other than $15 is pretty much the bottoming point, meaning if the price all of a sudden blasts down through 15, well then by definition this is not the bottom because all of a sudden the price is at new lows. But if this is the bottom, then that level should continue to hold. And if the price decides it wants to start to fight back upwards, as far as areas of resistance are concerned, first key level to watch moving forward, you're going to be right there at 1650. And then after 1650, next key level up there right around, let's see what it's at. Yeah, the $18 mark. So keep your eye on these levels going forward, and let's see if this thing can get some sort of bigger bounce on Friday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.